this video, we're gonna try to cover the acquisition part of GFO. For that, we will go to the acquisition and we will begin with the acquisition overview. So once we click here, then we will be redirecting to the acquisition overview panel of the GFO. So here you can see the graph is showing. So in the graph, users are given. This is the total number of users that we have that we got in the website, and after that here's the total event count, total conversions, and total revenue. So revenue is the sum of all the purchases, revenue from ad campaigns and all. So this is the total revenue. And after that here's the real-time data that we are getting from the website. So the data is in last 30 minutes only, and below the real-time data all the countries are mentioned. So from which country we are getting the visitors. And now after the real-time data, here new users by user medium it is given. So these are basically all the new users from which medium we are getting. So if you can from here you can change you can check with the source also if we click in the source. So basically from which sources we are getting the users. So from Google, from YouTube, from Bing. So these are all the sources, and once we select the source and medium, then it will show the source as well as through which medium we are getting the visitors. And you can also select the user campaign, from which campaign we are getting the users. So here you can see Google Analytics demo, YouTube. So these are all the different campaigns, and you can also select the Google ads and network types, from which ad groups we are getting the users. So here you can see Infinity, Tumblr, Google brand, YouTube brand. These are all ad groups, and you can also check with the group ID. So these are all the ad group IDs. In this way you can measure from the Google ads or group IDs from which ID you are getting the most traffic. And after the new users, the next is the session. So these are all about the session. So here also you can select the different session medium, session source, source medium, session campaigns, and session default channel grouping. So from which channel you are getting the traffic, display, paid search, organic videos, emails. So these are all different sessions. You can these are the overall session, and if we select the engage session, so you are able to get the engagement, means out of the overall session how many we are getting the visitors or how many we are getting the engaged sessions. So in the organic search we are getting 32k of engaged session, but the overall session is 49k. So in this way engage session you can see. And the next is the sessions by search campaign. These are all from Google ads campaigns. So from here you can select the Google ads and Google group names. You can check this by the name. So here custom intent, YouTube brands, in marketing. See all these different options are given. So you can also select the Google ads keyword text. So yeah, this is the from which ads you are getting the visitors. And you can also select the ads query, through which query you are getting the ads traffic, through which query basically users are reaching to your website through ads and these are all Google search and Google display, from which display or which campaign you are getting the visitors. And below, if you click in the view Google ads campaigns, if you click here, it will redirect us to the entire report. So here at the below, here we can see you can select here you can also select the page session acquisition. From acquisition you can select the first user source medium. So currently it is showing no data, so I will select another session. I will select acquisition, and here I will select first user adds group names. So through which group actually we are getting the traffic. Okay, so here you can see from Google Analytics, from demo accounts, these are all demo accounts. And if I select the Google Ads group names, so here you can check from which group you are getting the users. This is for sessions, this is for engaged sessions, means this is the overall session, and out of this overall session these are the engaging sessions. So sessions are basically the trigger that when visitors are visiting the website, so they are just triggering any event, so those are event engage sections. And next is the Google Ads clicks. So out of all these sessions, how many are we are getting the Google Ads clicks? This is the Google Ads cost, and yeah, this is the cost per click. So at the last there is conversions, cost per conversions, and total revenue. So these all matrices you can measure. So this is the acquisition overview, and next we will go to the user acquisition. So here at the below you can see through which different medium we are getting the overall traffic. So here we can see the organic, referral, CPC, email, affiliate. So basically the matrices we can check like new users, returning users, engage sessions, events, average event times, conversions, total revenues. So if we select currently we have selected the first user medium, so if we click here, if we select first user source medium, so it will show the source as well as through which medium we are getting the traffic. So now if we search here with organic, then it will filter out only the organic traffic. So now we can see only the organic visitors, how many new visitors we are getting through organic search, how many returning from those traffic, and this is the engage session, engage rate, average engagement time, and these are all event counts and conversions. So in the conversions option we can select the purchase, and we will get to know how many out of this overall traffic, how many are actually purchasing the products, and this is all the revenue from those traffic. So this is the overall revenue from the organic search. So in this way you can measure the organic traffic. And yeah, so next thing is the traffic acquisition. Okay, so this is all about the traffic acquisition, from which all the different sources of traffic. So here you can see the source medium already it is selected. So this is also the same, user sessions, engage sessions, and here if we scroll, conversion, event conversion. Here also we can select the purchase, first user, begin checkout, registration completed. So all these different parameters we can measure the matrices. So if I select the purchase again, so basically it will show how many people have actually completed the purchase, and this is the total revenue from that purchase. So here also we can simply select the source medium, and if we type organic, so it will filter out the organic traffics only. So in this way you can measure the organic matrices. So this is all about the acquisition of GA4. In the next video we will try to cover the engagement of GA4. So see you in the next video.